The next thing I'm going to try to do is clean up these branch cutters. I don't know about this here, maybe taking these out and then putting them back in. I'm going to see how easy that is. But I'm going to clean these up and try to restore them and just see if it's worth it. I'll keep y'all updated. Hello, it is Murray again. I am finished up these branch cutters. I am got them cleaned up. I've removed the pins here and here. I've put screws in there, and I'm going to cut those down flush with the nut. But they turned out pretty good. So I couldn't remove this part here. I know it's driven up inside of this handle, but these handles are fiberglass. There's not a pin or anything to get them off with, and so I was unable to remove that part. So I'm going to trim these out now, these screws that I put in there to replace the pins that I round off and drove out, and I'm going to use screws instead of pins. So that's it. I'll give you a picture after I get through with it. All right, got the screws ground down now, which replaced the pins. Tighten them up and use my Dremel tool to cut the excess bolt length off, and then I sprayed it down with Stable, which is supposed to keep it from rusting, and went out and did some cutting, and it works just great. So that's it for this. I'm going to start a new project and get another set of cutters cleaned up. Thank you for watching.